Hello, my name is Olivia. I'm from Belgium. I have 42 years old. About my medical history is that 10 years ago I was diagnosed with autoimmune disease Hashimoto, and then I had also many other not very severe health issue. I mean, all my life, more or less. But then, about 6 years ago, I had a tick bites, and soon after, a few months after, I was feeling very, very sick, and then I was diagnosed with Lyme disease. So yeah, that was about 6 years ago. So my symptoms related to Lyme were quite severe. Most of the time I was in a brain fog. I could not walk from some part of the day. I was all the time with severe pain, mainly in my hips and legs. I had also very severe headache. Of course, I could not have a normal life. It was quite difficult being a mother of three to have like a kind of life. So the list of the symptoms was very big. So after I was diagnosed with Lyme disease, thankfully I didn't start to take so many antibiotics. This is really thankfully. So, but I've tried a different way to treat me. I've saw so many doctors, so many therapists. I've tried a lot. What I could say helped me quite well was apitherapy. But this was not enough to get really rid of these Lyme disease symptoms and to rebalance my health. So that's why with my happy therapist we decided it was a good idea for me to come here at the Paracelsus clinic. Mainly my first goal when I arrived here was mainly to have a big detox to help me clean and rebalance my health. But when I arrived here, I was really surprised that I discovered much more than I was expected, because here not only you can focus on your medical issue, but also on the dentist side, which are totally connected with the health in general. So I received a lot of treatments here in Paracelsus, but I also learned how to rebalance my health. I was already quite good about my diet, but what I've learned is also all about the immune system, and how together with the diet and with the detox and also to build up back the immune system, you can in fact help your body to rebalance by itself also, and to get rid of all the toxic germs and all the symptoms you don't want to have in your life anymore. So that's how I was helped to rebalance my health. So now I feel much better than 6 years ago. 6 years ago, really, I was dying. This is nothing else to say. So I'm alive. It's already a very good news. I decreased my symptoms list about maybe more than half, for sure, maybe two-thirds. But it is a long process, it's true, because Lyme disease was only the final drop about all my health balance, which was not good because of previous toxicity. Now I really understand that it was a path. With this final drop, that made me very sick. So of course, yes, it's a long process to get healthy again, but definitely I am on the good path, And now I feel also more aware of what is good to me in my life, and to be in an autonomous, no, how do you say that, autonomic path, to take good care of me with the diet, with the home supply, and with all I've learned what I have learned here at the clinic. So I was happy to meet here a team working together. I'm really thankful and grateful for the big job of the nurses. They support a lot during the process. Some of the treatments are not that funny to go through, but really with the help of those nurses, it's really wonderful. It's really a good help. And so I was really also happy to receive so much information from the doctors, and really I feel really also grateful and thankful for the dentist work, because he had done an amazing job. And it was the first time I was so relaxed in a dentist seat of all my life, because of my pain and so on. I was not able to go to the dentist in my hometown because it was too difficult for me. While here, I could always say, oh, please, I need to move, or stop, I need to stretch. Or I was doing yoga during the dental work, and so that was really helpful to have this understanding from Gunnar. So yeah, thankful for that.